It's been a wonderful journey. I mean, the word journey goes so, akin to the whole process that we've undergone actually. For me, it was a huge revelation. See, simply calling it a metaphor sounds very, limited actually. The whole process of landing and the knowledge coming out, and then landing and the knowledge coming out, and then each part kind of talking and healing. It was a wonderful dialogue thing which I think I have failed in my life to do. I've never had, I've always had a monologue. I've always been a solitary speaker, I feel, now. And whatever I've spoken probably is what the world wanted me to speak. I was being paid for it, right? So, whatever the world wanted me to speak and say, I went about it that way, but I did that meticulously with 100% sincerity. And I always walked the extra mile with people what they needed. If they wanted this much, I would give them so much. And that was there in the giving part. But now this insight what I've had to the clinical problems, the physical ailments can be attended to. I knew that through emotions. The mind-body relation I always kind of knew about it. But knowing is one thing, but actually going into it as an experience and understanding the nuances of it, how to work on it, was a wonderful thing I learned. How to apply and learn to address even the most neglected feeling or an emotion that's there hidden somewhere inside your body, in the minutest molecule or a tiny cell there is calling out for attention, which we in a metropolitan lifestyle, we brush it off and we keep moving about our career and our day-to-day activities. And women have always neglected, and men have taken too much for granted their body, and they've never attended to the mind and the emotions. So this is what is needed today. So if we start addressing it right from school age, I think we can bring about very healthy and beautiful citizens into our country at beginning and talking about our country here. A lot of these people who are totally distracted and lost. So I think this control, and I don't want to use the word control, this evolution process of the inner catharsis that I underwent, if I can use that word here, and the purgation, absolutely like a purgative it works, and this kind of a purgation is what we all need to undergo, and we need to give it as a dose right from age 8 to 80, it can be applied. And that is what I understood, and it can be healed. Nothing is impossible where the health is concerned, and every bit of your body can be healed. That is the message, which we get as lectures from intellectuals and saints, but we do not get it as a possibility to implement in your day-to-day lifestyle, to incorporate it into your design of everyday life is something that Pangala has given it to us. So kudos to her, and I truly appreciate what she's done. It's a wonderful thing.